Hello, I am Jeya Shivanti Bharath, currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in clinical psychology at Amity University Mumbai. I've gotten admission at one of the most prestigious research institutes, ranked among the top 200 universities globally, East Carolina University, for Masters in Industrial Organizational Psychology. I've also secured a graduate assistantship which will help me fund my daily and overall expense. I started my application process in the month of November of last year, and Amity has helped me come so far in my journey of studying abroad. And thanks to the amazing infrastructure and faculty, I have been able to develop myself as an individual, and I've learned a lot about my field of psychology. My course here at Amity has helped me gain knowledge in the multiple aspects of my field, which is industrial psychology, such as organizational behavior, workplace diversity, psychological research, etc. The knowledge I've gained in these courses will help me further my studies in my field of interest. Thank you.